Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with a Kizer. Roach here with me for a maintenance video. But you know what you can do? Check out this button right over here. Try to click it. It says subscribe. There's another one next to that. It's just has like a thumbs up kind of like icon. Just try also to click that one as well. And if you're in a good mood, you know what you can do? There's a nice comment section. Let me know in the comments what do you think about this fella right over here. We're gonna try to improve the action right there. T10, T8 are going to be needed. The pivot is spinning, so just grab 2 screwdrivers like so and gently start unscrewing this pivot, right? Coming off? Not yet. There you go. That is done. And this one we can just pop out like so. So that is out of the way. T8 for the handle. That is 1. That is 2. Wow, these guys are coming off. And 3. Right, there you go. 1, 2, 3. Like that, just open the blade gently, and this guy should pop open. Like so. Right. There you go. Done, done, done. Grab some microfiber cloth with a little bit of rubbing alcohol like that, and clean the scales. Let's clean the bearings. 1 and 2, nicely done. Let's also clean the stop pin right here, the blade, the tang of the blade, and this other scale right over here. And look at this. Done. That was easy. Grab the pivot, which is keyed in. Curiously, I don't know where this is gonna key in because, like, I don't know. Maybe I don't know. Maybe I'm getting old and missing things, guys, which is likely. So 3 drops on the bearing, 1 drop on the detent ball. Just jam this stop pin right before you place the blade, otherwise you're gonna be struggling like me. So that is in place like so. Don't forget the second bearing, and just a little lube again right there. The scale goes on top. Just keep it pinched, remove the pressure, grab this is like what, a T8, and we're gonna screw back the handle like so. This is 1. Don't over tighten these guys because they are tiny. Even if it's a T8, don't get fooled. There's like traces of blue Loctite. You can do that. It's all right. I'm not gonna use it. I'm not gonna do any Loctite for the pivot, but this would be the moment you would add a little nudge, especially, you know, when the pivot is captive. It's fine to use a little bit of blue Loctite, but when it's spinning like this, probably it's better not to. There you go. So blade is rock solid. Maybe I over tightened a little bit, but we have, yeah, maybe it's a little bit too tight. So just giving like maybe a little bit of a release from this side. Still centered. I mean, action is not stellar, even if the blade is heavy. Look at this, it doesn't close shut, but a little gentle nudge and you're gonna get the job done. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.